Type-C docking station comes with a full-featured data cable. Let's take a look at the appearance. There is a USB-C and a USB 3.1 port on the front, audio port, TF, SD card port and 2 USB ports. Here is the main switch of the docking station. Click to turn on or off. There is a security lock hole on the side. The back side has more ports. 1 gigabit RJ45 port, 1 USB port, 2 HDMI and 1 display port. Host interface is the host connection port. There is also a PD 100 watts power port next to it. The top of the docking station has an M2 hard drive interface. Supports NVMe and SATA protocols for lengths of hard drives. Ventilation slots on the bottom, top and sides. Let's try it out. Note when installing the hard drive. First install the clips to the hard drive, then insert the hard drive. Connect the docking station to the computer with a fully functional cable. Plug in the power supply. Use the software to test the speed of the hard drive. Let's try the effect of connecting 3 video ports. Apple Computer Extended Mode, Apple Computer Mirroring Mode, Windows Computer Extended Mode.